Hello, my name is Susanna Finn and I'm the city's Community Development Planner. Before we hear from Chief Jones, I'd just like to take a couple minutes to update you about the 2020 census. The census is vital to determine allocations for federal and state funds and determines the representation in governing bodies at all levels of government. A study estimated that for every person missed in the census, a locality lost the opportunity for $2,000 in federal funding per year. That's $20,000 over the 10 years until the next census. Now, though April 1st was Census Day, this is just a reference date and not a deadline. You can still respond to the census, and we are encouraging you to do so. Now, an interesting thing this year is that college students affected by university closures should still be counted where they live while at school. So even if you were home on April 1st, your college address is where you live the majority of the year and where you participate in the census. Responding to the census is easy. You can respond by mail, by phone, by calling 844-330-2020, and several languages are available. And you can also respond online at 2020census.gov. Every household was mailed an invitation to respond with a unique code, but even if you've lost that piece of mail, you can still respond online by searching for your address. So far, 56% of Virginia households have responded to the census. Locally, 63% of Spotsylvania households and 64% of Stafford households have responded, but only 53% of Fredericksburg City households have, so we're really encouraging you to participate. If you haven't completed the census yet, please do, and once you do, please remind your friends, families, and neighbors to do the same. We are going to be rolling out a new campaign to post your participation in the census, so be on the lookout for that opportunity and to be able to share that you count in Fredericksburg.
Good afternoon, Mike Jones, Fire Chief, City of Fredericksburg. Let's talk about the latest statistics that we've been able to acquire. In the United States, there are now over 827,000 cases of COVID-19. 705,000 of those are active cases, so we have had some people that have recovered from that. Unfortunately, 45,000, or just a little bit more than 45,000 people have perished from the results of COVID-19 here in the United States. The Virginia Department of Health did not update their statistics as of noon today, so I can't give you those numbers, but the local health district did. So let's talk about those things that are happening in the Rappahannock Area Health District. 306 positive cases for the health district as of today. That's up only 10, so we're getting lower all the time. Instead of being up around 20 or 25, we're down around 9 or 10 each day, so that's a good sign. 167 cases in Stafford, 82 in Spotsylvania, 20 each in King George and Caroline. Another good thing, for the third day in a row, the city of Fredericksburg is standing pat at 17 cases, so we haven't had any new cases. Again, locally, the trend is still upward a little bit throughout the Commonwealth, and then the number of people testing positive versus the total number of people tested is still hovering around 16%, both in the health district and in the Commonwealth. Hospitalizations are remaining steady at 47 as of this morning, so we're looking good there. Ventilator use is down to 23%. And we only have 419 folks in ICU related to COVID-19 throughout the Commonwealth. That's from the Hospital Association statistics. We're going to, again, post information about the coronavirus for our friends that are hard of hearing or the deaf community. We'll have that on our daily report and in written form. This includes pictures and website addresses for the Virginia Department of Health and Hard of Hearing for more information. Please make sure that you visit our restaurants and our businesses downtown. They need your help more than ever, and they're open and they're ready to serve you with takeout or pick up the curbside. Remember, city government is still functioning and working. All you have to do is give us a call on the phone or reach out to us via email, and we can try to take care of any issues that you may have related to that. We're available at 540-372-1010 or anytime at www.fredericksburgva.gov. Thank you very much. Have a good day.